You will learn how to block a domain on Outlook email. All right. Well, let me explain what I mean by that. Take, for example, I have a website known as godwintech.com, and I have some workers under me. And you can have email addresses like mike at godwintech.com, richard at godwintech.com, then Lisa at godwintech.com. Instead of blocking all these individuals' email addresses, then you can just block that godwintech.com. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser, and here we are going to be using Microsoft Edge. As the browser opens, visit outlook.com and sign in. You can see the web link, outlook.com. Once you sign in successfully, you will be on the inbox. Okay, then the next step is to get the domain you want to block. So here, let me experiment with Canva. So I'll click on this. So after clicking on that, the next step is to click on this again. I will click on copy, or I'll highlight this because my interest here is canva.com. You can see here is no reply at canva.com. So canva.com is the domain here. I've highlighted what I want, or if I didn't get it right, I'll click out, highlight it again. It's okay. I'll close this. Control C to copy it because I have highlighted what I want. Then I'll close this. Then the next step is to click on settings, which is at the top right in this case. Then on clicking on that, ensure that you are on the email section, which is this. Then click on junk email. On clicking on junk email, get down to this section and click on blocked senders and domain. So click on that. You are likely to have this place as empty. Just click on add blocked sender. Then type in the domain, or Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste, because I've already copied it in this code, in this case. So look at the domain I want to block, which is the website canva.com. Then the next step is to click on OK. Then I'll click on save. So with this thing, any email coming from this canva.com will not be delivered into my inbox. It will be blocked automatically. So let's say tomorrow you feel like, okay, I want to start getting email from this domain again. You can unblock that. Do the same through the same route. So click on settings, then ensure you're on email, then click on junk email, then click on these block senders and domains. You will see that website you blocked. So take your cursor to it, and then you see this delete icon. Click on delete, then click on save. So with this, anytime canva.com or any person working on canva.com sends email, all right, I will get it. So far, it is attached to this canva.com. Maybe Michael at canva.com or Richard at canva.com. It will go through. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.